Hi, in today's episode we will discuss about Flutter Riverpod. We will see how to use these kind of providers and how to access this inside our widget tree. So first of all you have to do is go to pubspec.yml. Here add the dependency Flutter Riverpod. So this is the latest version. If you are watching this episode in future, this version might change, so you can check it out at Flutter pub dev. So we will use the pub-get here and install the dependency. Inside main.dart here we will add the basic provider here like this. Okay, you can use it like this, provider, and this provider is of string, and you can use the reference here like this, and here we will return one text here: welcome to the state management in Flutter. Okay, now what we have done is we have added a Riverpod provider. So basically there are many types of provider. We will cover that step by step in this Flutter Riverpod series. In today's episode we will focus on Riverpod provider, which we can use in our widget tree. And here we have to wrap this my app inside. So click on this and wrap it with widget provider scope like this, and you can get the const value here. Now to use this basic provider, all you have to do is you have to extend the consumer widget here. Now here if you see the stateless widget here like this, so instead of this you can add the consumer widget, and here we will add the widget reference ref. In addition to build context, we will use the widget reference, and to get the data you can use it like this: reference.watch and the name of provider. So you can get this inside one string, for example name. Okay, you can get the data of this provider like this. Now if we run this app, if we run this app, you can see we are getting the data of text widget from this provider. Now this basic provider has the global access, we can use it anywhere. So let's using this Flutter Riverpod provider. Okay, let's make the UI a little bit better here. So I will remove this and add one scaffold here, and here I will add the title, and here I will add the app bar, and inside app bar let's add a title here. Let's add a text: Flutter Riverpod demo. Okay, so here we have our app bar. Now let's add the board. Let's add the background color, colors.black, and foreground color inside this we have to write this foreground color and colors.white. Okay, so we have a basic setup here. Now let's add the body and add the text widget, say name, and we will add the style here, text style, you can use it, and give it a font size of 16. So this is how the project will look like. Now we will add the false here like this. Okay, now if you want to wrap this inside padding, so that padding will be added, you can use it like this. Okay, so this is one way you can use it. Another way of using it is like this. For example, I will add one column widget here so that we can see both the ways how we can use this, and let's copy this inside this. Okay, so this is one way. Another way of using it is you can directly use the consumer builder, and inside this you can add the context, reference, and child like this. And what is the name of provider? Basic provider. And here we will return text, name, and we will use this again. So this is another way you can get the data, right? So this is another way. Using the consumer widget also you can get the data. So I hope you got the basic idea how to use the providers in Flutter Riverpod. Now this is one type of provider. In the next episode we will see how to use the state provider. You can also use the state provider, state notifier provider. You can see the names here: state notifier provider, basic provider, stream provider. So we will discuss every type of provider in our upcoming series of Flutter Riverpod. So you will get the basic idea how to use these kind of providers of Flutter Riverpod. Okay, I hope you got the concept, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and do like, share and subscribe Codzify YouTube channel for more updates like this. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.